In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom goal tracker in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable setup that keeps your goals organized and on schedule without any guesswork. First, open ClickUp and look to the left sidebar. Find spaces, then click the plus sign to create a new space dedicated to your goals. Give it a clear, memorable name. Something like Goal Tracker or Weekly Habits works great, so you'll always know where to find it. When you're ready, click Continue to move on. Next, define your workflow. ClickUp will show a few template options like Starter, Marketing Teams, Project Management, and Products Plus Engineering. For a straightforward goal tracker, choose Starter. It's lean, beginner-friendly, and perfect for simple progress tracking. This choice keeps your setup focused so you can track goals without unnecessary complexity. You'll now see options to review default views, task statuses, and Click apps. Default views determine how you'll see your work, such as list or board. Task statuses control the life cycle of your goals. Think to do, in progress, or done. Click apps are optional power-ups that add features. For a clean start, the defaults are perfectly fine. When everything looks good, click Create Space. Inside your new space, create a list to hold your goal tasks. Click the plus button, select List, and give it a descriptive name, like Daily Goals or Health Tracker. Click Create. Lists act like folders for related goals, keeping your tracking tidy and easy to navigate. Now add your first goal task. Click to add a task and name it after a specific goal, such as read 20 minutes or morning workout. Open the due date picker and set a recurring schedule. Choose Set Recurring, select Daily, and save it. This ensures the task automatically repeats every day, so you never have to recreate it. Click Save to confirm the recurrence. That's it. Your custom goal tracker is live. Each day you'll see your recurring task appear in the list, ready to mark complete. As you use it, consider naming conventions that make sense to you, keeping one task per goal for clarity, and using statuses to reflect your real progress. You can add more lists for different categories, and as your needs grow, revisit views, statuses, or click apps to tailor the space further. With this setup, tracking goals becomes simple, visible, and consistent.